Well, hello guys. I must say, my subscribers, you guys are the best. You rock. So you did request for me. Well, somebody did request that I upload a video with the potato choka that I showed in my last vlog, which was the flatbird. If you haven't seen that vlog, go ahead and do so. Watch it in its entirety. Here I have a pot of potato boiling. It's chopped potatoes, and I have a wooden spoon laying across the top of the pot. That is just to prevent it from boiling over. Here I'm gonna use one whole onion, already cut half, but let me show you how I got that half looking like it's chopped so finely. I went down that way on the onion, then I cut across, right? About 2 times, and then I went cutting downwards like that. So it already gave me an advantage as far as chopping it. So when I'm done with that half, all I have to do now is just go back over with the knife like this, and to get it even chopped finely. Look at Kiana, guys. Her eyes were burning, so she covered herself with the blanket. Anyway, I'm gonna chop these garlic, kind of smush it down a little. That way I don't lose them, right? Now I'm gonna chop them finely like I did the onions. To this frying pan, I add some olive oil, and here I'm adding the onion and the garlic that we previously chopped, or that I previously chopped, right? I'm gonna just saute this up a little. Friends, while this onion and garlic is sauteing in the oil, please, if you haven't yet subscribed and you like what you're seeing so far, go ahead and do so you don't miss any vlogs, any future vlogs. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and leave your comment. Let's move on. At this time, the potato is cooked and drained, and now I'm just mashing it with my potato masher. After that's done and nice and smooth, I'm gonna go ahead and add the sauteed onions and garlic, just like that. Once that's added, I'm just gonna go in with some cayenne pepper, because guys, I can't do the scotch bonnet or the pimento. It's my daughter would not enjoy it, right? And I guess after cooking without that kind of pepper for so long, I don't really have much tolerance for that. I'm gonna still add some garlic powder right there. I added some roasted garlic, but of course you can add regular garlic, that's fine. I am gonna add some salt and also some black pepper. And what I did after that is just I mix it in completely. And here it is, guys. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching, and thank you for your support. Thank you for your views, and thank you for sharing. And again, if you haven't yet, please subscribe. Bye.